How it feels like from an actual mic? Well, something like this. So today what we're going to talk about is this. So first of all, probably from the thumbnail you already know what this is. So let's get into this. Unboxing things are always fun, and I was waiting for this from a pretty long time actually. You see, with all the recordings right now, right, I wanted something like this. So this came today morning, and apparently it took almost around I stay in Bangalore, and it took around almost 4 days to reach here, which it shouldn't have been, but let's see. Okay, there's another thing here. Let's cut this nicely. This side also. Okay. Let's see if it goes out smoothly. Yep. So this is the new mic that I'm going to be using going forward. Got this from Amazon. Oh, this looks nice. It's pretty heavy too. This is the manual. Let me just keep the mic aside for a sec. It's K669B. Time installations, all the manuals. This is basically with USB, and I'm planning to, right now I'm using my phone to record the videos, so probably if I could connect this with USB, so this will be really nice for me to directly use this for my recordings. And I would like to see a very nice high quality video as an audio in my videos. Let's see what else they have given. Okay, they've given a tripod as well, a small one, pretty small one. Let's see. Open this real quick. Okay, this does not extend anymore, which would have been nice, but okay, so this is how it goes then. So this is the cable. This is kind of heavy, so if you see me struggling, it's because it's pretty heavy, the stand, and it's supposed to be also. Okay, now it's going in. So this is not, so this is around 4,000. I'll give you the exact price and the link in the description. I didn't want to buy something which is very costly because it just didn't make sense for me yet. I'll see how this feels like and everything, how much the audio clarity and everything. And I had very nice readings, and there was a friend of mine who was also using this, so Fifine technology. So yeah, let's see how this is. This costs around 5,000, somewhere around 4,000. I'll give you the exact link there. Yeah, and I'll probably in the next cut I'll try to show you how the recording is. This is right now from the phone recording directly. I'll try to show you how it looks like or feels like from this. See you. So this is how it sounds like from an actual mic. What do you think?